What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome or welcome back. I am TonyaNicole, and welcome to TonyaNicole's bomb ass unboxing world. Thank you guys so much for clicking the button and watching your girl. Today, guys, we're going to be unboxing our BoxyCharm premium box for the month of February. And I don't really remember what I chose or what's in here. I didn't open it yet, so I don't know what we got, but I'm very excited to see. And for today's drink, I am just drinking a little bit of Folgers coffee with creamer, sugar, and whipped cream. My whipped cream is melted down, but it's okay. So we're having Coffee Monday and BoxyCharm unboxings. So guys, let me take a sip. Oh, it's so good. Jeez, it's so good. So if you guys want to see what's inside of Boxy Premium for the month of February, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you got in your premium box. Okay, guys, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm TonyaNicole. For you people that may not know, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to have you guys. I'm so happy you clicked the button early to watch your girl, or later, whenever, just as long as you're watching it. And while you're at it, if you have not subscribed to your girl, go ahead on and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. All links are down below. Today on our coffee day, we're just drinking a little bit of Folgers and just doing some unboxings. Casual Monday, right? Right. So we can recover from these long weekends. God, the weekends is just, ooh, girl. I want to give a big special shout out to my 5 first commenters from Friday's video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I appreciate my people that want to be in my top 5. Y'all, you will get there. Just know every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 a.m. Central Standard Time, I do post. And now we're going to be doing 1 or 2 weekends a month where I'm giving you guys some bonus videos, which will include makeup tutorials. First impression videos will be coming up really soon. I'm excited for that. But today, guys, we're going to be doing our Boxy Premium. I'm going to give you guys a couple specs and then we're going to unbox it. For you guys that do not know, Boxy Premium is the $35 per month middle sister box of BoxyCharm. You're supposed to get 6 to 7 full-size beauty products each month. You get to choose a product, which I think the choice for the base box was on Tuesday, but I think the choice for Luxe Box this month, for March, is coming up on the 17th, guys. So don't forget. Also, March's premium box is going to be a one brand box, which is Fenty. I know you guys know and are probably very excited as I am. But yes, so $35 per month, free shipping. You get 6 to 7 full-size beauty products. I think it's supposed to have a minimum value of like $175 to $200. It's supposed to be a makeup heavy box, but we know that that is not true all of the time. And if you want to subscribe, the link is down below. So guys, without further ado, let's get this box on and cracking, boo. Y'all need a dance break and a coffee break? A dance break and a coffee break. Wake up, y'all. So this is the big humongous box it comes in, and we're gonna cut her open right now. Oops. I can never find my scissors. And this box better have a card because my base box didn't and I hated it. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, it's blue, guys. Oh, look at that. I love it. And we have a foam and, okay, I see a couple things that I'm not really happy about, but let's set this baby down. Okay, guys, so we did get a card in this month's box, and the theme is adore. So that's how the card looks. So I'm just gonna pull from the top. Right on top here, I'm seeing from Korres, and this is the Gavaya body butter here, and this is huge, guys, and you get 235 milliliters of product in here, and this is the body butter. So I could always use a little lotion, you know. Let me see if it has a safety cap on it, and I think it does. It does have a safety seal on it, so I will not open this. Let me see if they have anything important on the back that you guys need to know. It just says smoothing and moisturizing body cream, rich in shea butter and avocado oil with softening, nourishing, and moisturizing properties. And let's see what this Big Daddy retails for. This, guys, is the Korres Body Butter, and it retails for $32, guys. Up next, guys, is the 24 karat gold foil moisturizer by Fika. This is what it looks like, and this is the product that I did see on Instagram that someone posted that apparently BoxyCharm is saying that this is like retails for $100 or something. Let's see if it's right. Yeah, it said it's $100. BoxyCharm is saying it's $100, and supposedly it's like $2. I don't know. I have never heard of this brand before, and I know I probably won't use a gold foil moisturizer until I at least do a little more research to see like where this one is from, since it is a brand I don't know too much about. But yeah, so is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. It's big, and when we open her up, you get 50 grams of product in here. So when we open it up like this, it's beautiful, beautiful packaging. I love it. It's gorgeous. I love that it looks like a clear gel. It's beautiful. I know I'm not going to use it though. It does come with, it smells like gel, like hair gel. It smells like hair gel. So that's what it looks like. It has like little gold flakes in it. But I will do a little more research on this product. If you guys know about this brand and product, and if you have used this before, please let me know down in the comments. But it is gorgeous. And this, guys, is the, what is this? Fika Skincare 24 Gold Foil Moisturizer, and it retails for $100. And in here, it just says it helps dry areas disappear without leaving behind a greasy residue. Its unique formula helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while firming, tightening, and locking moisture into the skin. So again, guys, let me know if you've heard of this product or if you've used it and you liked it or disliked it, whatever. Just let me know. Next up is what I was really excited for, and it is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist. And this is what the box looks like, guys. And you get 2.54 fluid ounces of product in here, and this is a hydrating and glowing radiance mist, and it says it's so delicate it envelopes skin like a morning fog. The formula is a blend of watermelon, hyaluronic acid, hibiscus that refreshes and softens skins and enhances makeup. Okay, so you can use it as a hydrating glow mist or a makeup prep perfecting mist. So let's see. Oh yeah, this is it. And this is what it looks like, guys. It's so cute, such a chubby little bottle. Let's shake it up. I'm gonna give it a little spray. Let's see what that mister do. Oh, that mister is nice. Oh, it does feel refreshing. Okay, so I'm gonna just use this for like in the mornings when I go to work, if I don't feel like doing a whole bunch with my face. What y'all think about my new hairdo anyway? I'm feeling kind of sassy with it, y'all. Anyway, so yes, guys, let's see what this baby retails for. And this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, and it retails for $28, guys. Next up is another product that I'm very excited for, and it is the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. Now, y'all know that I am an oily skinned girl. However, the Tarte setting spray that we got in that Ipsy box, I fell in love with it. And I did get a sample of this before in an Ipsy Glam bag. So since winter time is coming to an end, I'll probably just save it for next year. Hopefully it stays good that long. Because in the summer I won't be able to wear a hydrating thing. So yeah, this is what the box looks like, guys, and you get 30 milliliters of product in here, and it says 12-hour hydration, coconut infused, smooths appearance, extends the wear of your foundation. So yes, and this is the Double Duty Beauty, and this is what the bottle looks like. Gorgeous packaging. I love it. It does come with a pump. I'm not going to pump it because we're going to save this baby for the colder days ahead, which is few and far in between. So let's see what this retails for, guys. And this is the Tarte Cosmetics Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer, and it retails for $30, guys. Have you guys tried this before? Let me know if you are oily skinned and you use this and it works for you or not, please. Thank you. Let me take a little sip of my coffee first. So up next we have from Hourglass the Ambient Lightening Blush in Diffused Heat. This is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. Now I know that they had like a bronzer too. I wish I would have gotten a bronzer because I don't know how this color is gonna look on you, girl. But let's see. The package, oh, it's got a mirror on the outside. Hey girl, y'all see that? Look at that. Ooh. And let's see. Oh, and it has a mirror on the inside. Hey honey. And this is what it looks like, guys. This is called Diffused Heat. I don't know. Last time I got something like that, y'all told me that, you know, swatch it and see what it looked like. It's very dry, though. It feels very dry. That's what it looks like on my finger. Ugh, I will not wear that. And that's the shade right there, a shade I cannot use. So I will be giving this to somebody of a lighter skin complexion than me, somebody I know because I did swatch it. So let's see what this baby retails for. I'm very disappointed that I got this color because, you know, I do a beauty quiz and this will not look good. This won't look good on me. I don't know. I mean, it's just so ashy looking. So this, guys, is the Hourglass Ambient Lightening Blush, and it retails for $40. It does feel pretty dry though, so I don't know. And we got one more product, guys, and it is from Carroty. This is what it looks like right here. Now, I did choose this product here, and I did find out that this is sold at CVS. So how y'all feel about that? Let me know. I mean, if it's a good formula, I guess I don't mind, but... So this is the palette right here, guys, and it has 21 warm and vibrant eyeshadows. It does not come with a mirror, okay. Ooh, but the shades are definitely speaking to me. And this is the palette right here, guys. These shades are gorgeous. It's so pretty. Harvest and Floral. I'm gonna just swatch a couple of them to see because they do feel nice. So I will be using this in some of our upcoming videos. That's how they swatched out. Very pretty. So I am excited to use this, guys. Let's see what this baby retails for. And this, guys, is the Carroty Palette, and it retails for $29, guys. Okay, my loves, so that is my final product in this month's box. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're gonna be done. So we got this Carroty palette here. We got from Korres this body butter. From Hourglass this ashy ass blush. From Tarte this primer here. Let me see if I can switch it up. From Glow Recipe this watermelon mist. And from FICA this 24 karat gold foil moisturizer. So that's six products for this month. Final thoughts on my box is, I think that for the most part, I will use all of the products in the box with the exception of this. I have to do more research on this product, especially since I saw some claims that I wasn't too happy with on Instagram. But you know, you cannot believe everything that you read or hear or see. Well, read or hear, I'm gonna say that. So I will do more research on this and decide if I'm gonna use this product or not. But out of the six, I definitely will be using, oh, I'm sorry, I'm not using this ashy ass blush either. So out of the six products, I will use a strong 4 of them. I'm a little disappointed that they did send me this blush color that is just like so ashy on my hand. So I can imagine how it will look as a blush on my face, and I'm not using it as an eyeshadow because it feels so drying. I don't even want to know. But the palette did swatch really nice, so I'm going to use that. So I would say for the most part, it is an okay box. I'm looking forward to March's premium box and luxe box. Really, I'm so excited for next month, guys. You have no idea. But I think for this month, for the premium, I think they gave us a nice variety of like products, from like body butters to this little hydrating mist, an eyeshadow palette, primer. So I do like that. So I think that it was a pretty cool box. I am upset about the blush, and like I said, I have to do more research on this. But guys, a 4 out of 6 is not bad. If I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn dogs! To 5 being this box is the bomb.com. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give BoxyCharm Premium for this month a solid 3.5. I'm gonna give him a 3.5. I was gonna give him a 4 till they gave me this ashy ass blush And no, I'm just not with that no more. BoxyCharm, you got to do better with your complexion products, because if I'm doing my quiz, I want you to go by the quiz, okay? Don't send me no blush that's this color. So guys, that's all that I have. Please let me know in the comments down below what your thoughts were of your premium box, what you thought about my box. Let me know your rating. Also, let me know what y'all did for Valentine's Day. I'm very interested in knowing that. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to your girl. Give this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment. Let me know about your weekend, Valentine's Day. I want to know. I want to know what you got in your box, and if you're getting the premium box for next month, the Fenty month. So guys, yes, that's all that I have. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. All of the links are down below. And until next time, in next video, I will keep enjoying my coffee that is getting colder by the second. You guys have a great day, a happy Monday. I will see you guys in the comments and on my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.